here we are again. Looks like this cloud is moving to the east of Three Hills. That is one huge funnel. But it looks like we're not in any harm's way. So we're just going to sit here and watch it a bit. Mind you, I know that they can also change direction rather quickly. But it looks like it's definitely going east, chewing up some freshly seeded fields, I would not doubt. Yeah, that is quite the cloud. It doesn't look like it's rotating a lot on the ground, but I'm not there, so I can't see how fast it's going on the ground. But it seems to have a wide base on the ground, and it's thickened up quite a bit, so I'm not an expert or anything, but it might just not be too bad. I gotta tell you, this is super exciting. I feel completely alive. And I know my daughter would say, yeah, Mom, you want to stay alive? Get the heck fire out of the way. But I don't think I'm in the way. This is phenomenal. The power of nature is incredible. Look at this. You just don't see this every day. Well, not here anyway. Maybe in Kansas, but not here. That is really amazing. Kicking up a lot of dust and dirt, that puppy is. Got a lot of lightning happening too. Lightning's getting a bit stronger now. Yeah, getting a bit stronger now. Holy. It's like a tornado tree or something. Looks really cool. Yeah, I think it's not moving too fast, so that's, I guess, good. Oh. This has got to be so cool. And here we go. It's going off more to the east. You can see where the where it's dissipating along the ground. It's moving rather slowly. It's not twisting so much. Toward the top it's twisting a bit more, but not toward the bottom, I don't think. It's hard to tell from here. Yeah, you can see it touching the ground still. See that core down there? Hope I have enough memory in my phone for this. Oh, here we go. I think it's blowing out now. Yeah, it looks like it might blow out. Well done now, except for the settling of all the dust. Look at that cloud of dust now. Coming out there, that's